Hello friend, welcome back to Motorcycles channel. I'm on the motorcycle show today and I saw a lot of bikes around here, but there's the only one which I really like, and let me show you. It's right here. This is just a perfect custom bike. There's so many things on it. I really have no idea where to start looking or what shall I start talking about. I mean, kickstart, holy cow, right? S&S engine, everything is custom on this. This is absolutely gorgeous piece which stands out for me, right? Look at this. It's a hardtail, unfortunately, but that's part of it. Just one brake in the rear. I will show you front in a second, but there's no brakes. It has a great style. I really admire this. This is just perfect. For me, I will call this perfect. Look at it. I mean, just look at that oil tank, right? It's some oil can or something right here. This is just fantastic. This is definitely my style of the bike, and I'm a big fan of S&S company, so this is, yeah, I would love to have this thing. So yeah, once again, it's all about those details, right? Just absolutely custom piece. You don't have a bike like this anywhere else. Super cool. And as I said, no brakes on the front, you will just see it. Yep, don't bother, just the rear brake. So here you got it, guys. This is my winner of this show. I think everything on this is perfect, all those details. I hope you are enjoying it like me, and I will be around, and I hope I will see the owner somewhere and he can start it for us. If not, thanks for watching. And stay tuned, because I will have a lot of videos on this Motorcycles channel coming your way very soon. See ya.